Me's a mother now, we know, so after the motherly things. See, there ain't no next time after this, baby girl. There ain't no next time after this. After the baby I come out, I'm gonna be like, doctor, tie me up. Tie me right up right there, so like, After the baby I come out, one big chop to them tube and tie it up one big knot in the hole.
I gotta make it, I'm tired of waiting, I gotta take it, I gotta face it, I gotta chase it, I can just taste it, 'cause I've been down so long.
Yeah, I gotta make it.
What's up guys, what's poppin', what's not stopping, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I feel new, I feel brand new, like, I like that, but I said I gotta talk to the camera, but, anyway, so, I've been to take a little break. Most of them know, some of them never know. Some of them know I blow up my Instagram and all them stuff. They say, please, Shawna, we never post a video, make we know say, alright, post this, post that, or whatever. So, I put on my Instagram and my YouTube say, what me I look, what the flash there, what the lens there. Hold on. Alright, that's alright. So, I don't know me I look. So, if I look funny in the video, then my bad. I don't know me I look. So, I post say, oh, tell me on assumptions about me and make a correct if I'm wrong or make a address it if we gotta just fix it up, make know say yo I know so it go or I say it go whatever. But before we jump in the video guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so every time I post a video you're gonna be the first to get notified, and yeah, you can come drop a like and watch my video and all them something there. So subscribe for join my team, and if you're whole, welcome back to our channel. I feel retarded. I mean, I am, but I don't feel extremely retarded. But anyways, guys, so I'm gonna answer on assumptions about me, and I'm gonna make sure I put the I'm gonna put one setting on the video so I can see say yo I ain't make shit up when I say it for true. So yeah, let's do that right now. Like I said before, smash out the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and yeah. Guys, before you watch a video guys, want to pause it, want to go over to Good as Avia JA, subscribe to our YouTube channel, tell her say hashtag Team Shawna send on guys. Our links gonna be down in the description, and also our channel name I got up on the screen. So one of those run go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe guys. Make sure you know say yo and me sending us. So do that real quick, come back and then come finish watch the video. The first person say Lord Jesus. The first person say, why do you care about what people think about you? Because I mean anything about me, I care about it. So because of me, I mean like if somebody says so, oh, can't put knife in the blue. If somebody says something about it and you know say yo it no go so, you go on clear it up or you go on like defend your name and all them something. You're not gonna just let it slide. You understand what I say? So once about me, if you add me or my name in there, I go care about what you say and I go answer you. I just that. So I don't like say yo I want answer or whatever because I really can't bother with negativity sometimes, but if it's about me, I go answer you and that just that. Somebody say basically them never say I assume, but like I can just put it in front. Based on how them ask it or say it, you can know, so them say I assume. So somebody say I assume you underestimate yourself. I do. Sometimes I underestimate myself. Everybody have their moment where them not feel like confident in themselves or feel like say yo them can't do this or them can't do that and them something. So yeah, I underestimate myself sometimes. Everybody have their local moment there. So I don't like get up every day and be like, oh, this or that or whatever. No, you just have a moment them where you say, yo, you know, say, yo, I'm gonna take me can do this or I'm gonna take me can do that. And I just one of them dating. So somebody say you're hype and you're going too much. Like I see that one comment here about 3 or 4 times. Them say my hype and this and that, which I am not hype. I don't understand why I say my hype, because me not hype. Like what is there to be hype about? What did I have to be hype about? Is somebody confident in themselves sometime? Confident in themselves or know them worth or whatever, that not means to them hype. That just means say yo, you know, them confident or them know what them capable of. I just that. So you say me being hype, you would have to go give me an example of how me hype and your definition of hype, because when I understand what you mean by my hype, I'm go on too much. So I am not hype. I am very, very low key. I'm not hype for true, so I don't know what you mean by that. If I don't want to do me a turn one orange, you know. What them call that something, yeah? Tangerine. 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 I turn an orange in a tangerine. Somebody say you're a cloud chaser. Never chase no cloud from you? Yeah, what kind of cloud you have here? Say me a cloud chaser. I'm not a cloud chaser, I'm an entertainer. So what you mean by a cloud chaser? Every YouTuber is an entertainer. It's not cloud chaser, okay? If you see something or something happen to you where you feel like say yo, if you talk about it, it's gonna bring look attention, it's gonna draw crowd to your channel. Yeah, I gonna do it because it's all about drawing the crowd to your channel so you can, you know, yeah. Expand your audience. So it's not about cloud chasing. I hate the word cloud chase, because when someone don't even know what the definition of cloud chase or not use it, like, come on. I am not a cloud chaser, I'm an entertainer. And if you don't like that, then bye. Somebody say my assumption is that you are stuck up in person. No, that's funny because I am not. I'm not stuck up in person. I mean, if I don't know you, don't expect me to be all goofy with you and I laugh up and I chat up with you. I don't know you where you want me to say. You not gonna come tell me say me chat too much or me this or me that. No. So I'm rather you tell me I'm stuck up than you tell me I'm chat too much. But in a real life though, I'm not stuck up, guys. I'm just like lay back if I don't know you. Until I get to know you, then everything good. I chat like 7 months now, no end, you know. My tongue go 50 miles per hour. I joke, I'm not really talking, but I am not stuck up, so that's you wrong about that. Somebody say you're not pregnant. You're not really pregnant, you're faking it. Okay. That's what I'm having to say. Okay. Next. So I assume that you're a different person off camera. Yes, I am. And this is my come on camera. I mean, I'm goofy in a real life and I'm an idiot in a real life because I'm really retarded in a real life. I feel like I'm lose 2 screws. But it's my fault that maybe I did drop on my head and I did ban. I don't remember because I did so little. But I'm a really idiot in a real life. So, I mean, oh, me stray. You say, I assume that you're a different person off camera. Yeah, because you're not gonna start a camera, you're not gonna turn on your camera and come in front of the camera come be like, hey guys, what's up? Can you subscribe to my channel? Like, for your start, so from people see your start, so like right away they're gonna click off of the video. Anybody wanna watch that? You understand what I say? So you have to come on camera, be pumped and like ready for going all them something. You can't come on camera look boring and sloppy and all them look out. No, nobody no want that. So of course, I'm different off camera because, like, oh, I go on camera sometimes and I really act that way like, off camera. I'm more like lay back or extremely goofy off camera, and then on camera, I'm just like go and look a bit like it all depends. It all depends on how I feel that day. But every YouTuber is a different person off camera. Every YouTuber is a different person off camera. So, yeah. Somebody say this girl on Instagram say, and first of all, I go black out the name them so no one see her who. This girl on Instagram say you hype and you not chat to people when them DM you. For the 115th time. I'm literally check. For the 115th time, I am not hype. Okay, I'm not hype. And as far as the DM them concerned, I'm really sometimes I answer people, sometimes I don't. Okay. This fresh, no, not fresh. This is sour. Sometimes I answer people, sometimes I don't. Like, let me tell you what me do. You see, like, I not follow back somehow, no? So, if I open on a message, I don't go see some open it because I not follow, no? So, it go look like I not open it. So, if I open it and say, yo, when I send me a positive message, I go answer back with positivity. If I open it and say, yo, I saw me here, I not go reply to it, so it go look like, say, yo, I don't see it all. But sometimes I saw the messages, sometimes I really don't. Sometimes some creepy people in my DM, and I don't want to see that. Some people, I don't want to see that. So sometimes I just not bother answering a DM. Let me tell you when I decide to answer DM. Like if I'm there one bored and I don't have nothing to do and I have time, I say, alright, I'm going to go through them DM. But other than that, sometimes I really not answer a DM. But for the people that I answer them can testify. So yeah, I do answer. I sound all over the place now. That's because I'm all over the place. No, sir. This sour, but still I go eat your 500 for the bag. But yeah, I'm not hype on my answer DM sometimes. But I'm going to start answering them more often because nowadays some more people that text me and a straight positivity. And then something them want to say, me get their positivity. Me will answer on, but if you text me some positivity, I'm not going to answer on. Somebody said, you seem spicy, but watching your videos, you seem like a cool person. I am a cool person, I'm not spicy. Well, I'm spicy sometimes. Depends on the vibes and the energy what me get from you. Then me decide what kind of energy I can give you back. So, if you give me spicy energy, I can get spicy energy. If you give me cool, I can get cool. Anything you give me, I can get back. I just so. So if you give me some fake shit, like some like, then you gonna get, you gonna get something worse, but yes, sir. That's what's up. Okay, so somebody say you don't let people dry you out with negativity. You don't let people dry you out with negativity. Keep it up and do your work, yeah. Actually, me do let people dry me out with negativity sometimes because, as I said before, if I feel like you come for me, I have all right for come back for you. First of all, my video or my picture or whatever I do. So if you go come underneath your chat, I'm gonna answer you. Obviously, I'm attention you want, so I'm gonna give it to you. So if you want to be negative, I can be 10 times negative. So I feel like sometimes I make the negativity get to me too much though. Like I'm really go off on them in the comments. But I work on not paying them no mind and not answering them anymore. So I realize I'm not even have to answer them no more because them subscribers here and supporters here what I have. Like if you say A, them I'm gonna say B after you. So I not even have to chime in and say C because somebody else always to say D. You know what I mean? So yeah. I stop answer to negativity. I just let me subscribe to them. I'm supporters them. I'm fans them and go that. So I say I assume that you're scared of bugs. Child. I'm not scared of bug, I'm scared of cockroach and frog. You know them cranny looking thing there? Yeah, them there. And bat. Then something there, but like regular bug will crawl up and down. I'm not afraid of them there, but the rat, the cockroach and the frog. Child, we run up and down in the place. For that. So yeah. So I say I assume you're gonna be a hell of a fashionist with that baby if it's a girl. Hell yeah. If it's a girl, because I want a girl, then yeah, you already know. I already know what I go on. Photo shoot every week. I joke, but yeah. So I say I assume that your next time having a baby, it will be planned. There ain't no next time after this, baby girl. There ain't no next time after this. After the baby I come out, I'm gonna be like, doctor, tie me up. Tie me right this, so like, I'm done with it. I'm done with it right this, so I'm sorry. After the baby I come out, one big chop to them tube and tie it up, one big knot in the hole. Solo? One big knot down there. So, ain't no more baby after this one. So what I say, I'm assuming that reality finally hit you, that you are going to have a child, even though you are not completely ready. You are up for the task ahead. You're going to be a great mom, Shawna. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for that. Like, I love baby, you know, don't get me wrong. I love baby because if, as I say, I love my nephew, but I just could see myself. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. When the time comes, we will see. I just have to go work with it, guys. I mean, I'm an idiot, I have sense, so of course, I'm going to know what to do and then look something with it, but you know, yeah. Thank you for that. Look at them questions. I don't like, but that's my eye. Somebody say, I assume that you're a tomboy, mostly prefer male company. In a way, sort of. Well, I was a tomboy in my earlier part of my life. Earlier part, like my old. I mean, of course, my old, I'm 21 now. Once upon a time, I still kind of have a little bit in me, but not really like before. But yeah, I'm a prefer male company for you because them full of mix up. I can't bother with that. And I don't really have a girlfriend either, which I'm not feeling no way about that. So I'm not have a boyfriend either, you know. Just like, I just who I have from before I have same way, yeah. Who I have from before I have same way. So I tell me can come from one and like who would I say a friend like that. Probably 3 fingers still. I mean, I think I can go up to 1 hand, but yeah, you know what I mean? So we do an ASMR moment. You know what is ASMR? See, tell me it. ASMR, if you don't know, like when you eat and you're not talking, it just make the food nice. Even though that sound annoying sometimes, but it's satisfying. Kind of weird. If you not wonder what they back at me, I'm a medal them. Over 30 had medal there. So, and this, I'm an ID and usually do tracks. Well, no, what is? Yeah, that's my primary school tracks ID. Then one day my high school tracks ID. So yeah, me usually do tracks along with netball, and the medal there like my grip, like my position in a class, like first, second, and third. And over there, so my trophy them. I awesome position in my class, and my netball trophy them, and my CXC trophy. So yeah. We don't know that all this with Shawna spring water. Differently from the assumption question, most of them that said, oh my gosh, you're beautiful, and wish you could have been my sister, or them look away, them wish you all the best, Shawna, this and that. So I just say thank you for that. I appreciate the support. You know, I appreciate everybody who like would text me. My fans them would text me and try check up on me and them something, I appreciate it. And I'm not going nowhere, guys. I just take a little break, like I said, I'm not going nowhere, I'm still there. Probably not. Oh, long I'm not post. Probably like 2-3 weeks, somewhere there, so. I don't know, but I'm not going nowhere, guys. If you don't see me a post, just know say vibes me not feel. You know, me's a mother now, we know, so after I have to do motherly things. Guys, I cannot be all up and down on the internet like I don't have things to do. I'm a mother now. I have a child to take care of. No, you have to stop it. You have to stop it, Shawna. You need to stop it. All you know. Anyways, yeah, guys. That's at the end of the video. You know. If you watch the video come so far, comment say come so far. I joke. If you watch the video come so far, guys, comment down below red and black heart. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start with that. If you watch the video come so far, comment down below red and black heart. So we're gonna go in the comments and see who watch the video the furthest. If you see them red and black heart there. So yeah, guys, watch all of my ads then so I can get some money. As you can see me a baby mother now, so I need the money. I'm doing that, look. I'm not gonna see my belly look a bit. It's not really a show big, you know, but oh, there's my belly. I'm showing. See there. Yeah, so if everybody there action, let me go see the belly. There's the belly. And for you, when you say, oh, I feel like I'm pregnant, you just have to fake it. See it there. Fake that. Bye bye.